Jane settled in the apartment, just like a little old lady, did you say? Do you want anything, dearest?
No, fine, thank you.
Oh, look at this little old lady. Tuck, tuck.
Fine.
Look at that. What's this? Feet up there. Sitting there. You got a hot drink?
Yes, there.
You got a hot drink and you got a chocolate bar? I don't know. Look at that. I suppose we're well settled in, aren't we?
We're cold.
What's that switch do near your arm up there?
It's the light for the kitchen.
Oh, is it? Oh, it is. Okay, you're settled, are you?
Yeah,
Oh, dear. And I've got the little fire. Well, I haven't got the fire on, but I've got the glow on.
I've got twinkly lights on.
Where are they?
Behind you.
Oh, blimey. And I've got coffee. No, I've got a tea. And I've got a chocolate bar. While I'm looking at my phone. Part 2 of our adventure. Coming through the woods. This is the quickest way to get to the coastal path. And I dread to say this, but we've got some blue sky at the moment. But there's a storm coming in. So today we've got a normal waterproof stuff on, level 3, but we've got waterproof trousers as well. And I've got a thick t-shirt on. I'm going uphill. What day is it? Wednesday, is it? I don't know where we are. You can see it's all washes away. They've had that much rain. God, it's like a gully, isn't it? Already we're losing the sun, and we've only been out 20 minutes. Yeah. That's north though, isn't it, over there? I think. And it's coming from the west, isn't it, the storms? Extreme danger. Do not throw your wife off the cliffs. Unless she's well insured. Yeah. Yeah. A few military planes up today. And what's this? Gorse is in flower? Can't smell it though. Oh yeah, just about. It's just going over the sea, the plane. Just a little dot. Well, the beach is very busy, Jane. Do you think we'll get a spot to sit?
I don't think we've sitting on the beach.
No, not this weather. I don't think I've... have you seen anybody down there this morning? No. Normally get a few dog walkers this time of
I
day.
think it's only just going out.
Yeah. Almost at Overstrand. And you can we're looking back at Cromer Pier just there. And this is a golf course along the edge. And it's, yeah, lovely beach. Well, it'll be alright to walk on the beach going back. Yeah. Should find a place to put a deck chairs up, you know. This is a nice garden, isn't it? No. No. A lot of erosion around here, these paths and stuff. And that one's beautiful, look at that. Yeah. Shall we buy one of these as a holiday home? Just arrived at Overstrand car park. No cars here at all. Spitting with rain. Napping. Fantastic flint. Paston Way. This is where you can get your crabs from, all crabs, old fish We're going in the cab, Jane? Or are you going to look at the tides? See what the tides is. It's just after 10 o'clock. October, November.
21st or 22nd?
Well, 25th is Friday, so it's the 23rd.
Friday, Thursday, Wednesday.
Yeah.
No tide. High tide isn't till 6 o'clock.
Oh, that's fine then. Yeah. Going in the cab? Well, it's chucking it down now. Not too bad, she said. It's chucking it down. And you guys stand next to me. Gonna have a picture of what the two wet people look like before the camera gets soaked. And we're going along the beach because the tide's out. Oh, we do like to be beside the seaside, da 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 da. Oh, we do like to be beside the sea, la da 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 da. I don't know the rest of it, do you? Beside the seaside, beside the sea. Ah, you can just about see the pier in the distance. Just looking at some of the wood in the sea defences. Different colours, and now it's raining and it's showing up the wood. I love this dark, really dark. I think it's mahogany, but Jane thinks it's oak.
No, I don't. It's like a plants in the field.
Yeah, I think it is mahogany, but I'm not sure. And you can see there's loads of people on the beach. There's been at least one person, there's footsteps.
Yeah,
one man and somebody else's dog, as I say. Yeah, it's lovely sand, isn't it? I don't know where this will come out with a wet camera. Not sure, but people think this is a Banksy. But not sure. I've never, if it is, it's the first one I've ever seen, you know, in person. Almost back in Cromer. Going to the art shop, aren't we? What's it called? Jared's. What are you after, anything? What are you after?
I don't know.
You're not sure? Just have a look round. So if we buy any paper, we've got to make sure it's in a plastic bag. Because my bag will be soaked. I think there's a few fishermen out looking at the tractors with no boats on. Oh, wearing out. Shall we go up in the lift into town? Yeah, we use a lift. And then we've just got to go into town and it's across the road, isn't it? Because it's this end of the town, the shop.